producers, welcome to another tutorial about FL Studio and the tricks that we are using to make our life easier and to be more satisfied with the track and the song that we are making. So today we're going to talk about how to change the tempo, speed, and how to detect the tempo in FL Studio, which is very crucial for making your own music and to make the song sounds the way it should and the way that you like. Stay with me, we're gonna do this very quick, just to show you some tricks. My name is Srđan, I'm Orbital 365, and you can check my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you like. If you don't, come for another video and then subscribe. See you later. Session for today: how to change the tempo in FL Studio. From the drop-down menu, you can go to the Detect Tempo if you want to match the tempo of your sample with the tempo of your song. However, after checking this and making it match, you can easily go to Fit the Tempo option, which in case of not matching the tempo in between your sample and the tempo of your song, can be easily fixed. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another tutorial.